I'm going to demonstrate installing your auto gutter on this Lamborghini today. The auto gutter will come out of your bag in this fashion. Roll the windshield cover over to the front side of your auto gutter. On the vehicle. Place the other bungee around your side of your mirror. Suction cups with the hook facing down are in the unlocked position. Rotate them, hooks facing up, lock position. Same thing with your windshield cover. Suction cups down, unlock, rotate them with the hooks facing up. That's in the lock position. You have your side suction cups here for the lateral winds. I'm going to pull tension and make sure I have tension across the top of the auto gutter so it's nice and tight, fit. The lateral suction cups. And you have your 2mm locking straps right here to prevent theft. Open your door. There you go. Windows up. Okay. You have your straps right here. Pull tension across the front of the auto gutter for winds. You have another locking strap here on the other side, the driver's side, both sides. Open your door. As you can see. Around here this way. The auto gutter could also be used with the windshield cover down inside its pouch that it comes in. Self-contained little pouch it comes with. Just in case you didn't want to use the windshield cover, you roll the windshield cover up in this pouch. Show you how easy it is to put the auto gutter away.